We are pleased to show you
The 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.